We're creating a picking application for our customer, and on the back side of this pallet rack will be a lot of employee foot traffic. So we installed these rack safety nets on the back side of this rack system so pallets or boxes will not fall off the back side while the employees are walking back and forth picking orders. We installed it on each side of the rack systems, and we use 5-foot high by 8-foot wide rack nets that hook into the teardrop holes of the rack. Hook right in, they overlap, so there's no chance for a box or pallet to fall back through. Check us out, cmh-inc.com.